Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learn as a data analytics. And today's is learn as a part 9 is a structured thinking. A structured thinking is one of the most important skills for as a data analytics. And it is help you solve business problems by breaking them into a smaller and as a organized part. And what is a structured thinking? Structured thinking is a process of breaking a large problems into a smaller and the organized parts to solve it steps by step. And the step is understand the problems and break into smaller parts and as analyze each of the parts and find and the best solutions and make decisions and some parts has to divide as a structure thinking frameworks criterias as a logics clarity and the evaluations and examples of problems supermarket is sales have a decrease as an instance of saying the sales are low and break it into a smaller questions as which the product have a low sale, which stores have a low sale, which a month had a biggest drop, and which the customers is stopped as buy. And now as a problems is easier to solve. Second, a four element of structured thinking. As structured thinking has four main elements. First, as a recognize the problems as a first, as a understand what the actual problems is, and examples as sales is decreased by 15% in last month, as the problems is identify and sales are the decreasing and organize the information as a collect and organize all the related data as the examples as a collect as a sales report customers details as a product information monthly revenues and arrange the everything in a excel or as a database. Third is identify the possible solution and thinks of different ways to solve problems. Examples as possible solutions is give the discount, improve product qualities as advertise and more and reduce delivery times. Fourth and last is a choice of best solutions as a compare all the solutions and as a choice of most effective as one. And the example as an analysis so customers buy more as during the discount offer. Best solutions is run weekends is a discount campaigns. Third is a recognizing a current problem as a recognizing a current problems means as a identifying the issues is affecting the business and the examples as sales are the decreasing customers campaign sorry as compliments are as increasing as website traffic is feelings and deliveries is as slow and the profit is decreasing and the examples as a problems as a customers are as a livings the website without a purchasing and the analyst is investigation and the website loading speed as a product price as a payment process and the customers reviews and now real issues has becomes as clear. Fourth, as a organize the information, as a organize the informations means as a arranging the data in logical and easy to understand the format. And well organized data is easy to analyze. And example as an instance of Rahul's 50 and the Ahmedabad is not organized the data is organized data in so in the table formats and the name age and the cities colon and after is to give the data like Rahul's and the age is 25 and the cities in Ahmedabad. Fifth is a gap analyze. A gap analyze is compare current situations with described goals, and as a find the difference gaps between where a business is now and as where it wanted to be. And the formula gap equal as a decrease the performance and minus as the current performance. And the example is current sales is 8 lakhs and the targeted sales is 10 lakhs. So the gap is 2 lakhs, and the companies is now need to the strategize to choose this sorry as a close this the gap, and show the figures as the gaps as first as current sales and as up to is targeted sales, and the gap between the current sale and the targeted sale. And 6 is a root case analysis. Root case analysis means as a finding the real reasons behind the problem, and do not just fix visible problems as a find and solve its actual cases. And examples of problems as the customer service is order is late, and the visible issues is late delivery, and a real is case as not enough delivery staff, and the solution is hire more delivery employees. And this image to show as the same as the symptoms is gives like late deliveries, and the problems main problems is gives as the case, and not enough staff as to gives a delivery, and after as a solve the problems to hire a more delivery staff. Fifth is a wise techniques. Keep asking a wise is until you find the real cases. Examples is a sales has decreased. Wise as a because the fears the customers is visited. Why? Because the advertisements were as a reduced, and wise as because the marketing's budget was cut. And now you have a found and a root case. Seventh is a data analysis framework. Data analysis frameworks is a structured process for as a solving the problem using the data, and it is provide a clear path from identifying the problems to making taking actions. And common frameworks as a ask is ask the questions and as a define the problem, and the prepare the data by as a collecting and the sorting the information, as a process the data by as a cleanings and as a checkings the information, as the analyze as a analyze the data to find the patterns and the relationship, and as a trends, as a share is a share the data with your as a audience, as a act on the as a data, and as a use the data analysis results. And the examples as the problems low customer satisfaction. 8 is a prioritizing problems. Prioritizing means as deciding which problem should be solved as first, and the factor as a business impact, as a urgency, as a cost, and the customer satisfaction and the risk. And the examples companies has this problems, and the website is down, and the office printers is broken, and the safety areas menus is need as updatings, and the website issues is affect the customers and as a sells the most, and so it should be as a fix first. And ninth is a brainstorming techniques. A brainstorming is a process of generating many ideas to solve the problems. And the rules as encourage all the ideas as do not categorize the ideas immediately, and think creatively, and work as a team. And the examples of problems as increase online sales, ideas as offer the discounts and free shoppings and improve our website speeds as add more payment methods as advertise on our social medias and launch loyalties programs. And after the brainstorming, the team is evaluates the ideas and select the best ones. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.